If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly 2-in-1 laptop, then this video is for you. In this video, I will be showing you best budget 2-in-1 laptops from top brands like HP, Dell, Acer, Asus and Lenovo. We have gathered all the details from the official websites and trusted reviews to help you to make the best choice. So whether you are a student, a professional or just someone who loves flexibility, these laptops are perfect for you. For all the laptops, I have provided link in the description, and if you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. HP Pavilion X360. First up, we have the HP Pavilion X360. This laptop is great entry-level 2-in-1 laptop that offers versatility and performance at a very affordable price. The model that we are recommending here is the Intel Core i3 13th generation powered model that comes with a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display with a Full HD resolution and comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 256GB of PCI NVMe SSD, and it weighs around 3.5 pounds. The battery life, which is why a laptop is more important for you. Like if you call a laptop as a portable, you only call it as a portable if it is giving enough battery life. Otherwise, you have to look for a charging socket every time. So this laptop gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. So why to buy this laptop? The main reason is affordable price. Yes, it comes with a very affordable price and offers great versatile design and you can use it as a tablet mode and entertainment mode also. It has got solid build quality and decent performance for everyday tasks. It's not like it is not having any disappointment. Yes, entry-level processor is struggling and heavy multitasking cannot do here, and display brightness could have been better for the outdoor use. So it is best suitable for students and casual users who need a flexible and affordable laptop, affordable 2-in-1 laptop. Links are provided in the description. Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1. Next we have the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1. It is known for its reliability and this model is no exception. Powered by Intel Core i5 13th generation processor, 14-inch of Full HD plus touchscreen display, powerful processor with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of PCI NVMe SSD. This is an amazing laptop that also offers flexibility and performance. Coming to the battery life, the company claims up to 12 hours of battery life. So what are the main reasons that you should consider this laptop for? It has got a great balance of performance and portability, and the display is bright and vibrant. It's a Full HD plus display that will give you immersive display experience, and the excellent battery life makes it a must-buy. So what are the disappointments with this laptop? Yes, it is slightly more expensive than the competitors shown in this list, and the limited upgrade option for RAM and storage is there. It is best suitable for professionals and students who need a reliable and portable 2-in-1 laptop. Acer Spin 5. At number 3, we have Acer Spin 5, and this laptop is a powerhouse in compact form factor. Coming to the specs, the power of i5 processor makes it the best laptop at this price, that no other laptop comes at this price and offers such a specs. And display is also stunning. You are getting a 13.5-inch 2K IPS touchscreen display. Coming to the RAM, it comes with a 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB of PCI NVMe SSD and 11 hours of battery life makes it an attractive option with that 2K display. So main reasons to buy this laptop is its stunning 2K display for productivity and media consumption, lightweight and portable design, great performance for multitasking and light creative work. So what are the reasons to avoid this laptop? There are many good reasons. There are many good reasons to buy this laptop and only few reasons to avoid it, like higher price point compared to the other budget laptop, and the battery life could be better for a 2K display, as the company claims high battery life, but actually for this resolution the battery life is less. This laptop is best suitable for creatives and professionals who need a high resolution display and portability. Lenovo Yoga 7i. Coming in at number 2 is the Lenovo Yoga 7i, and this laptop is perfect for those who want premium features at a budget price. Powered by Intel Core i5 13 generation processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB of PCI NVMe SSD, this is a powerful performer for a budget laptop. Comes with a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display that will give you immersive display experience. Coming to the battery life, the company claims up to 13 hours of battery life, but it gives around 6 to 7 hours battery life in real. That is excellent. So what are the main reasons to consider this? The main reason is its excellent build quality and premium design, a long battery life for all day productivity, great value for money with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. Disappointments are display could have been brighter for outdoor use, and there is no dedicated GPU for gaming or heavy graphics. So home for this laptop is professionals and students who want a premium looking laptop without breaking the bank. Asus VivoBook Flip 14, overall the best budget 2-in-1 laptop. Finally, we have the Asus VivoBook Flip 14. This is a great budget option for those who want style and performance at a less price. So there are two models. Processor Intel Core i3 13th generation processor is cheaper, but if you want some good performance, you can also go for Intel Core i5 13th generation processor model that comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 256 GB of PCI NVMe SSD. Coming to the display, it comes with a beautiful 14-inch Full HD resolution IPS touchscreen display that will give you great experience, and the battery life is also good compared to the other laptops in this list. So what are the main reasons to consider this laptop? First is the price. Yes, it comes with an amazing price compared to all these laptops in this list. The only laptop that competes with this laptop in terms of price is the HP X360, but i3 model we are not comparing. i5 model compared to HP, this is a lot cheaper. It also comes with a stylish and lightweight design and decent performance for everyday tasks. So what are the reasons to avoid this laptop? The entry-level processor and limited RAM. Yes, other laptops in this list are giving 16 GB of RAM, but this laptop is only stick to 8 GB of RAM. Also, the battery life is not as good as some of the laptops in this list. So that is the main reason. Overall, if you are budget conscious, if you don't want to spend more money on a laptop, then you can go for this one. It offers everything: the style, the versatility, the build quality, the battery life, everything you have in for less amount of money. So all these are the 5 budget 2-in-1 laptops that you can consider. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.